In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off captions in Google Meet. If captions are currently showing on your screen during a meeting and you want to remove them, the good news is that the process is very quick and easy. Google Meet includes caption controls inside the meeting settings, so once you know where to look, you can turn them off in just a few clicks. This is useful if the captions are distracting, taking up space on the screen, or if you simply no longer need them during the call. To begin, make sure you are already inside your Google Meet session. Once you're in the meeting window, look toward the bottom area of the screen for the meeting controls. You'll want to find the three-dot menu, which is the More Options button. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will open a settings panel where you can adjust different parts of your Google Meet experience. Depending on your screen size or device, the settings window may appear as a pop-up or side panel, but the options should be very similar. Inside Settings, find the Captions section and click on it. This is where Google Meet gives you control over whether live captions are enabled or disabled. If captions are currently active, this section will let you change that setting. Now, select No Captions. As soon as you do that, the live captions should disappear from your meeting screen. This change usually happens right away, so you should notice the difference immediately. If you don't see the captions disappear at first, give it a second and make sure the setting was applied correctly. In some cases, it helps to close the settings panel and check the meeting screen again. Also, keep in mind that this only affects your own view unless you are adjusting settings that apply more broadly in your version of Google Meet. And that's all there is to it. To turn off captions in Google Meet, just open the three-dot menu, go into Settings, choose Captions, and then select No Captions. Once you've done that, your meeting screen should be clear of live subtitle text. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly manage your Google Meet settings with confidence.